Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the temperature control thermostat in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the screws securing the control panel to the liner. Pull the control panel forward to release. You can detach the grounding wire and disconnect the 2 wire connectors for better access. If you do this, remove the screw to release the damper control arm to prevent it from breaking. Unthread the screw to release the conduit cover. Remove the screw securing the damper cover and pull the cover off. Remove the control knobs. Unthread the screws on the bottom of the control panel to release the thermostat mounting bracket. Disconnect the thermostat wire connectors, as well as the grounding wire. Now unthread the screws to release the thermostat from the bracket. Release the thermostat sensor from the retainer. Remove any tape securing the sensor to the damper and fully remove the old component. Prepare the new temperature control thermostat for installation by transferring the sensor sleeve from the old component to the new one. Align the sensor in the groove on the damper. Secure with the tape if applicable. Secure the sensor under the retainer on the control panel housing. Position the thermostat on the bracket and thread the screws to secure. Connect the wire connectors, along with the grounding wire. Align the bracket assembly and rethread the bottom screws. Replace the control knobs. Reposition the damper cover and secure it with the screw. Reposition the conduit cover and thread the screw to hold it in place. Align the slot in the damper control arm with the freezer control cam. Then replace the screw to secure the arm. Reconnect the wire connectors and reattach the grounding wire to the heat shield. Align the control panel on the mounting tabs and push it into place. Replace the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.